Hi kids. Today, we are going to learn how to read the CLE sound. CLE letters are read as col, col. Now, let's try some exercises. Col, col. Popsicle. Can you read the sentence? The popsicle is melting. Col, col. Bicycle. She is riding a bicycle. Col, col. Icicle. Icicle is formed by the freezing of dripping water. Col, col. Vehicle. The vehicle is running smoothly. Col, col. Obstacle. He jumped over the obstacle. Col, col. Monocycle. A monocycle has one wheel. Col, col. Recycle. Don't trash our future. Recycle. Col, col. Chicle. Chicle is used in making chewing gum. Col, col. Circle. They are forming inside the circle. Col, col. Tentacle. The squid have tentacles. Thank you for watching kids. See you in the next video.